were you going to tell us the sort of information that we would need to present to people when we contact our spinal fellow or whatever, or have we covered all of that just by going through all the symptoms?
I think we've covered it in the sense that we've talked about the types of Cauda Equina and the types of symptoms, but when you're preparing to present your case to an on-call fellow or to a GP or whoever you're going to talk to, order your thoughts, make good notes, be clear about what the patient's symptoms are, what the timeline of their symptoms developing and deteriorating presumably are, what the kind of presentation symptoms are, and what you found on examination. And articulate and express your concerns. What do you think is going on? Include whether there are bladder or bowel or saddle anesthesia symptoms or sexual dysfunction as part of your explanation as to why you think this requires further investigation.